Matapos sampahan ng kaso ng asawa ni VP Sara na si Attorney Manscarpio ang mga buhaya sa Kongreso sa katauhan nila Luistro, Sindanya, Jokno at Dilima ay nagsiiyakan ang mga walang iya, lalong-lalo na itong sila Luistro at Sindanya, kung saan iginiit nitong si Luistro na wala di umano silang nilabag na batas.
They are really against the disclosure of this information. These are attempts to suppress the disclosure of this information, no? Pwede na! Tayo sa Justice Committee, in my capacity as chairperson, we maintain the position that we did not violate any law.
Tanga talaga.
Neither the provisions of the Bank Secrecy nor the provisions of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, no?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
At dagdag pa ni Boy Ngiwi na kapag nahuhuli, nabubuko at nasusukol di umano ang mga Duterte ay tumatakbo sa korte. At ayon din kay Boy Ngiwi na malinaw pa daw sa sikat ng araw at sa katanghaliang tapat ngayong summer na wala di umano silang na-violate na batas.
Nabisto kasi. Ganyan naman ang mga Duterte, di ba? Kapag sila ay nahuhuli, nabubuko o nasusukol, tatakbo sa korte.
Baliw ka yata eh!
May free will naman at maraming pera ang mga Duterte para mag-file ng sangkatutak na kaso. Lagi naman nilang ginagawa yan.
Talaga, Charmin?
Pero sa dulo, simple lang ang tanong. May na-violate ba na batas ang members ng Committee on Justice at ang AMLAC sa paglalabas ng report on covert and suspicious transactions? Malinaw ang sagot, wala.
Sinungaling ka!
Mas malinaw pa sa sikat ng araw sa tanghaling tapat ngayong summer, may exemption sa Bank Secrecy Law. At yun ay impeachment cases. Kaya ang advice ko sa kampo ni VP Sara at kay VP Sara, kaysa mag-aksayan ng papel, ng oras, sa kaka-file ng mga kaso, humarap na lang siya sa darating na Miyerkules sa Committee on Justice at doon siya magpaliwanag.
Bunga ng pagka-80-80 ng dalawang magbishi sa kanilang interpretasyon sa batas kaugnay sa Bank Secrecy Law ay sinupalpal at pinangaralan sila ni Attorney Peter Puldanao at iminulat ang mga buhaya sa kanilang katangahan.
But the other side is propounding a different argument using a different law. They're citing RA 1405, Section 2. And I'll try to summarize it a bit. All deposits of whatever nature with banks or banking institutions are hereby considered as absolutely confidential in nature and may not be examined, inquired, or looked into, and moving forward, except upon written permission of the depositor or in cases of impeachment or upon order of a competent court. So they're citing Section 2 of an earlier law.
Well, as I said, no? As you said, RA 1405 is a different law from RA 9160 and 11521, no? RA 1405, in my opinion, applies to banks, okay? Banks in general. If you want information and you want that the banks themselves reveal those information, then there are exceptions in that law, RA 1405 that you said, no? Consent, impeachment, okay? But the Committee on Justice did not ask the information from the banks. They asked the information from the AMLAC. So what law will govern that? Because they asked it from the AMLAC, not the banks. It's not the RA 1405. It doesn't apply to AMLAC. So it is the RA 9160 that should apply because that is the law governing AMLAC. Okay? And that law is restricted. There is no exception, and the prohibition on AMLAC to reveal information is absolute. And the reason for that is that the AMLAC handles thousands, millions of information from several banks a day. That's why they treat it as sensitive, confidential information, because you have with you the power of freezing accounts, the power to inquire in bank inquiry orders, And the law provides limitations on the powers of the AMLC. And one of these limitations is you cannot divulge any information to anybody because this information are supposed to be confidential to help the AMLAC in their investigation of money laundering offenses. Kaya nga po AMLA siya, Anti-Money Laundering Council. They are limited to investigating money laundering offenses using the information and transactions reported by the banks. So that is the limited authority of AMLAC in investigating money laundering offense. That's why the law provide a limitation that you cannot divulge information revealed by the banks and transmitted to the AMLAC for purposes solely for investigating money laundering offenses.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, if I
that
may-
is the limitation.
Talo! Sorry.